A quick, necessary one. Our most recent batch turned out less tacky, less sticky than what you're used to from us. We caught it and we're working with our manufacturer to fix it properly. But all recent videos we've posted, including this one, show actual footage using this exact batch. So it's not that it doesn't work, it's just less sticky. For all new orders, we offer 25% off. Use code Hiccup while we sort this out. If you already have a bottle from this batch and you're not happy, please reach out and we'll do our best to make it right.